Hi guys, it's Carla with Carla Dreyer Design, and today I'm going to take you on a recent design project I did for a gorgeous dining room. So this dining room basically is, you open the door, you look to your left, and there it is. It's right there front and center. So we really had to make it something that went with the rest of the space, and that was gorgeous. And I think we achieved that. So the first thing in this dining room was a large table. The homeowner wanted a large table, and we found this beautiful white oak table that is absolutely stunning. Now the floors in this place are actually like a white oak too, so just a little tip with that, just make sure that the tones are different but still work well together, and you'll be able to tell once you see them. The next thing we did was the chairs. I love the chairs. Now sometimes combining something that looks good and actually is comfortable can be a little bit of a challenge. In this case, it wasn't. These chairs definitely check off both boxes. They are comfortable. I love the low scale of them. That's one thing to remember in a dining room is, your sight lines, and this with the low scale, you're able to see right through. I love the white of them. I love kind of the mid-century wood legs. I think they are absolutely perfect. Then the showstopper of this dining room is the wallpaper. And yes, this is a mural wallpaper. It actually looks like we had someone come in and professionally paint large leaves on the wall, but we didn't. And it's a wallpaper, but it looks absolutely stunning. What's neat about it is it really stands out, but it's also very subtle at the same time. And the homeowner has a lot of plants sprinkled throughout this home, so this kind of carries that through. Then once we had the wallpaper in, we still felt we needed something in front of it. Again, this is a large room and we wanted it to feel warm and cozy. So we had this beautiful buffet console that was made by a local maker. It's absolutely gorgeous with like white bark on it with black tones, just stunning. And then we just sort of styled it on top, which you can change, depending on what you like. We've got a print of a Joshua tree that the homeowner really liked. We put some woven textured pieces on there. We put a vase, some books, and again, those are fun things that can be changed up, but don't take away from that stunning wallpaper. And then last but not least is the chandelier. So this chandelier has that hit of black, which I've talked about before. I think every room needs a hit of black, and particularly this house. And what I love about this one is the size of it and the scale of it, but also it's fresh and modern without, again, too overpowering. I think this dining room just turned out gorgeous. I think it's unique. I think it's fun. I think it's fresh. It's warm and inviting. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe for weekly videos, and make sure to hop on over to carladreyerdesign.com and take my style quiz, where you can find out your design style so that you can live in a home that's authentic to you. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.